Watch, it'll probably be nothing.
Probably.
You're a holy shit. There it is.
Woo! What is up, guys? Super enthusiastic intro from Mike here. We're going to work on the shit-horse engine, but before that we're going to work on Riley's Mustang wiring because Rob wants to work on the shit-horse engine. He's not going to be there yet, but he's going to come later. So we're going to do some wiring stuff first, and it's going to be a real good time. And we're probably going to see some more carnage in the shit-horse's pink engine. So let's get to it. While we're stuck here in traffic, I thought I'd say that last time when I mentioned this truck and how the running problems it's having and all that, you guys gave a lot of good responses in the comments. And I'm really looking into it being the distributor thing because that kind of seems likely. It starts like the timing is off, and that kind of would make sense to me, so I'm gonna look into that more. Right now we're in some probably Christmas traffic, jammed up on our way to the cigar store because smoking cigars is what I do to be cool. What stuff do you guys do to be cool? Post in the comments. Woo! Premature death! Alright, so we're here at Part Source. I'm gonna rent a pulley puller because I'm not sure if Rob's coming or what, but it's like free to do. So shout out Part Source. I mean, as long as they give me a puller, I guess. Look at that, guys. They give us the puller. They trust us. Actually, they just kind of sell it to you, and then if you don't bring it back, it's yours. But we're gonna be out at Clayton's next at the House of Horsepower. Working on some LS engines. I'm just getting us some coffee right now, and then we'll be out there right now. And we're here. You were saying the threads look goofy? Is it broken already?
No, it's not broken.
Jesus, fuck. I was kind of, yeah.
We should take it before, because knowing our luck, it'll fucking rip all the threads off.
I was giving them an eyeball after. I already thought of that though. If it does mess up, we'll just go to Princess Auto, buy a cheaper one and put it in there. They'll never know the difference. It's genius.
We'll just put this in there.
Yeah. Fix it yourselves, guys.
Yeah,
oh, we got plenty. That one's had some fun. We're gonna figure out what to do some professional YouTuber business, automotive professional planning strategy. I think you guys know what that means, and then we'll get to work. Right, so previously you saw me store the S15 here. Here it is. Look at that, it's still here. There's been a squirrel problem around here lately, so we're gonna open it up, check under the hood, see if we got anybody living in there. The interior looks clean. Watch, it'll probably be nothing. Probably.
You're a holy shit. There it is. They fucking did get in there.
Yeah, if you guys remember that video with Rob's.
That's a huge mound of shit.
Blue Ghost. Fuck me. Well, I guess I gotta get this out of here.
They like that smooth intake.
Yeah, apparently. God damn it, guys. Well, I guess I gotta get to work. I just kind of got the most of it out of there. Look at that mess, guys. Damn,
those zombies were bad.
He's probably still gonna get in there, but we're gonna put some of this mothball packets in there.
Some say it works, some say it doesn't work.
Yeah, and then in spring I'll just have to use like an air gun or something because I'd be here all day trying to detail that just for the cocksucker to get back in. So I'm gonna throw some of these in there, and then we gotta go for a ride to the city of gas station, and then we'll be working on engines. Boom, here it is, guys. You haven't seen it for a couple episodes, but Pinky is still here, all dirty. Just checked the bearings in that previous episode. But I cut the oil filter apart, and there's lots of metal in there, you could say. All the metal. It definitely ate a lot of bearing material. It is insane.
This crank rides on air now.
Yeah, tons of shinies. I only undid this little part because it was kind of hard to do and kind of pointless to do anymore because we get the idea. It ate a ton of metal and it needs to be taken apart. So time to pull this thing apart. We're trying to set this Part Source puller up here using some different things to push against the crank. Right now we have that's a cap from a U-joint. We're really hoping not to strip these threads. Clayton is saying it's already in such poor condition. Like
a 5/8.
There should have been a before picture before I took this thing, but...
Well, you can still get that before picture.
Yeah, well... They won't trust us.
They won't trust us or believe us?
Both.
Wrench? Come on, I can't reach. God, Mike.
What are these 5/8?
9/16, I think.
Or not, it's already stripped.
I mean, yeah, it's garbage. You rented garbage.
Fuck, I better return that thing in time. I don't want to buy garbage. Well, that sucks. There goes today's plans.
That's a great program they have there.
Yeah.
Loan a piece of garbage program.
All right, so part source loaner program. No good. At least this one. I mean, you know, every store is different.
Yeah, but look at that. Like I say, how can they let that go out the door? Obviously, it's garbage. Since we have one, we're just... Rob's undecided if he's coming out tonight or not. So.
Yeah, I guess Rob has to come save the day now if this engine's ever going to come apart.
You can pull the heads off and pull the pistons and rods out, I guess.
Yeah, we're not completely at a standstill.
No.
Slap like now, guys, if you want Rob to show up in this video. And if you do it right now, you all slap like, he will show up. If you don't, he won't. So, slap like now.
Ta-da.
Wow, look at that. It's clean up here. No metal in sight.
Wonder what's under that baffle.
Supposed to be a fluid explosion here.
I don't want to damage these gaskets if I don't have to. Hold on, I'm gonna fuck it up here.
There we go, it's loose. It's barely dangling on there. Well, that's interesting.
Goddamn son of a bitch!
That is very... Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing here? One of these does not look like the other. What did that? It's not firing on that cylinder?
Well, fuck, that's what it looks like.
If you guys, aren't up to pace here, this piston is super clean. Like, it's never done anything. Meanwhile, the rest of these have the same pattern, burn pattern on it. That's interesting. Let's take a look at the head.
Yeah, this chamber's just
untouched. So really, we ran almost 10s on 7 cylinders, it looks like. What the heck?
I don't know. You're the tuner.
I didn't turn off one cylinder in the tune.
I mean, it's seen flame. Maybe early on.
Must have been the squirrels chewing the wires. Dang.
Odd.
Well, I guess now I'm even more curious to see what's on the other side. All right, behind door number 2.
What's going on here?
It's caught on the bottom there.
The dowel?
Bottom left. Just pull it.
Well, help me out. I don't want to fuck the gasket up.
All right, so this side looks more consistent.
As it should.
Yeah. Yeah, they're basically all similar.
Nice lean burn, Tim.
Hey, I don't claim to know how to tune really well, but it went fast.
I get 90% of your motor tuned up.
Yeah, besides this one over here. That's that's so weird. More mystery, more hidden secrets of the shit horse Pinky engine. By the way, guys, this is gonna get repainted after it gets rebuilt, as it does every time. So you can start suggesting paint. We're not gonna let you decide this time because it'll be like poop brown or something, knowing you guys, but it'll be repainted, restyled once again when we rebuild it after a lot of cleaning and apparently a little troubleshooting, figuring out why a piston wasn't firing. We're just continuing pulling it apart, Got the lifter cover off, the valley, whatever you want to call it. Sensors out of the back. Pop that piston, bitch. Baby.
That's all we can do.
Yeah. You guys still haven't hit like enough, so Rob hasn't showed up. So we can't take the crank off, but we can extract the pistons. Get ready for an oil flood.
What?
On the flip side here, I think there's still a loose bearing in there. You guys don't really care to see those being popped out, but we'll show you one of them after and see if we find any problemos. All right, so we've popped the pistons. Pistons are popped.
Yeah.
And nothing really crazy noticeable. We've got them jammed in this small cozy box. You guys can see, oh, this one, yeah. The ridge. Radio's playing Pink Floyd The Wall in its entirety tonight, and if you look in there, there's a little wall built there too. About all we can do tonight, unless you guys slap like I said.
We could measure the thrust, but didn't we before?
I don't know. I just remember the tool slipped off when you're trying to do it or something like that.
Oh, we already measured it. It was good. We already cracked the mains loose anyway.
Yeah.
I thought we measured it was like 4 thou, 5 thou. Because yeah, the thrust was okay. Every other bearing surface was toast.
Yeah. As you saw with all the metal in the oil filter. Probably the next thing to do with this, besides the rest of the teardown, is just a lot of cleaning. We're gonna have to completely, all the oil journals, all that stuff, all the stuff you guys comment all the time. We're gonna do all that because we want it to live this time. And maybe if it runs on 8 cylinders, it'll go 10s. That's pretty good for 7 cylinders, I gotta say. It's pretty responsible engine.
Did you leave that injector unplugged?
No, yeah, I don't know. Well, either spark or fuel, obviously, or a valve, like you said, not.
Well, they're both closed. Yeah.
Like they seem okay. Besides being super fucking clean, that is fucked. But the adventures of a junkyard turbo LS build. I mean, it's cool when stuff surprises you. I was not expecting that at all. It's just great. So, yeah, next time you see this, it'll probably be fully blown apart.
Wait, do we have the right plug in these heads? Why is the... Look how recessed it is. I think that's...
No, they're not turned all the way in.
Oh, fuck me.
You had me going for a second there, but...
Okay.
Yeah, they're not tight. But even still, tighten it all the way in, let's see.
No, that's good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you guys hit the like a bunch of times, Rob's gonna show up. But if not, you know...
I feel stupid.
I said that about 10 times, but do it and he'll show up. Slash it. Well, apparently you guys didn't slap like enough because Rob didn't show up. So the pink engine is still over there. That's all we're gonna do with it tonight. Now we're looking at some wiring on here.
Get that out of the way.
Trying to figure out where the old ECM ski is gonna go.
I can't recall what's there for HVAC stuff.
I'm not sure. I forget. Clayton was thinking maybe it'll have to go under the seat. That would be a lot of lengthening to the harness.
Yeah, either under the seat or...
If you could fit under here, it'd be great. The spot where we have it in the shit horse won't work in this car because it has all the factory HVAC still. There's no room on the passenger side. And you don't really want to put it under the hood because that's ugly.
We had it in further before, didn't we?
Is it pushing on the wires behind it at all?
No, it's just resting on top. I don't know. I think that's a good spot. It's not something you gotta get at ever, right?
Yeah.
Now,
Once the dash is all back up.
yeah. Sweet. And, I mean, it'll be good for wire length.
Not to the top.
Yeah, we'll have to use some of those.
Now what we're dealing with here, or rather they're dealing with, is trying to get the clutch pedal out. Because this hole is where the wires are going to come through. And the clutch pedal road kind of interferes with it, it's a good idea to get out of the way now. Before we send the harness through there, which will be the next step.
Now, how to get this shaft out?
Yeah, I can hold that with the...
Oh, you don't have to hold it. Like it's part way through, aren't I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, brother. Fuck that thing.
Nice. Removing a clutch pedal to do wiring. Who would have thought? So look at that. They got the wires through the hole, and it's basically wired already. All the work is done. Really though, there's gonna be a little bit of lengthening and shortening. This alternator wire here is one thing in particular needs to be lengthened. Probably more shortening than anything. I mean, you could just kind of like ravel things up and like tape them, but that's sketchy. This isn't that kind of
Right in a bow.
project, guys. We're also live. Guys that are live, you're watching this, you're gonna be in tomorrow's video, probably tomorrow. A little bit of 4i Fox update since we had a lack of complete engine disassembly update. And it's getting late. Update date. So we're probably gonna end the video here. If you guys hung all the way through this video, you really should drop a like because clearly you like it. So just get it over with. It really helps us out. Makes Clayton smile. If enough you would have hit like, Rob would have showed up, but still didn't come. Maybe if you hit like right now, he'll burst through that door.
Made in Taiwan. The original wiring harness?
Or not. Bye.
Well, yeah. Check later. What did we do today? We pulled the motor apart.
Yeah, pulled the motor apart, got a wiring harness on here. Did Saturday garage stuff. Just doing what we do. That's what this channel is. We won't change our ways for no one, ever. Bye.
Later.
Say bye to the stream. Extra weird video ending.
You make it weird.
I do.
I always just do that.
Trying to make it abstract. It's art.